Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today it's more Mario Kart. So we're gonna play 3 races again. We're gonna see how many races I can win. So if you guys do like Mario Kart and my channel, don't forget to smash that like button. Do all the things, like subscribe, click the bell, leave some notifications, anything that will support my channel. Let's do it. So let's set up here. Here we go. We're gonna choose the races today. Donut planes. It's not too bad. I put it on a 100cc today. Bananas and shells come in handy when deflecting other shells. Can I make it in time? Yes, I can. All right, next race. What to do, what to pick. So many good choices. Let's do Wario Stadium. I like this one. And I usually don't play this course a lot because the CPU never gives me Wario Stadium. Because usually I play at random. Uh-oh. That's not good. Larry's set first. This is a very risky choice right now. I made a very bad choice with the course. I was gonna do Music Park, but then I decided to go big or go home. Oh! And there goes double the trouble. I lost 6 coins in less than 10 seconds. And the lightning bolt is like my worst enemy in this game. Came in handy. I'm not gonna be... Are you kidding me? Now it's just the sprint to the finish. There we go. That's a good finish. Right now, I'm still in the lead. Maybe one day, I could do like a 45-minute long special just on Mario Kart. It's gonna take a lot of battery space, a whole bunch of storage. We're gonna do Mount Wario as our final course. Here we go, final race. I should not be drifting here. Why did I let go? That was a very bad decision. Second leg. There we go. Okay. This goes in 2 different paths. No! If I only had something to deflect a blue shell, that would have been better. But now I have 3 coins less. Now I can sprint to the finish. Just go for all the turbos. That's what I always do. Aim for all those target zones. There we go. Sprint it home. And there we go. I secured a solid victory. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this Mario Kart video and another video on my channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like the content and what I'm making. Also leave some nice comments and some suggestions for videos that I should make in the near future. And I'll see you guys on Friday.